Welcome to Health Fact 10M.
Japan is famous for something truly remarkable. It has one of the highest numbers of people living past 100 years old anywhere in the world. But what makes this even more impressive isn't just their age, it's how well many of them live. Even in their 90s and beyond, many Japanese seniors are still walking, caring for themselves, and staying physically active with surprising energy. This kind of vitality doesn't happen by accident. A major reason behind Japan's healthy aging culture is their daily movement habits, especially stretching. Stretching isn't viewed as optional exercise. It's considered essential maintenance for the body, just like brushing your teeth is essential for dental health. Today on Health Fact 10M, we're going to explore 7 stretches commonly practiced in Japan that help people stay mobile, balanced, and flexible well into later life. Before we begin, take a moment to share your name in the comments and let us know how long you've been focusing on your health journey. Stretch number 1. Cobra Stretch. The Cobra Stretch is widely used in Japan to counteract the effects of long hours spent sitting, especially among office workers in large cities like Tokyo and Osaka. With many people spending most of their day at a desk, spinal stiffness and lower back discomfort are common challenges. This stretch gently lengthens the spine and encourages better posture. Over time, it helps the muscles that support the back stay strong and responsive. It also opens the chest, allowing for deeper breathing, which plays an important role in relaxation and stress management. To perform it, lie face down on the floor with your hands placed near your shoulders. Slowly press into your hands and lift your chest while keeping your hips grounded. Only rise as high as feels comfortable. Your neck should stay relaxed, and your shoulders should remain away from your ears. The goal here isn't height, it's control and comfort. Many people rush this stretch or push too far, which defeats its purpose. Japanese wellness culture emphasizes patience and gradual progress. In parks across Japan, it's common to see older adults practicing this stretch in the morning, often as part of group wellness routines led by volunteers. Stretch number 2. Wall calf stretch. In Japan, walking is a daily habit, especially among older adults. To support healthy circulation and reduce leg fatigue, the wall calf stretch is frequently practiced. The calf muscles play a critical role in helping blood move back toward the heart. Keeping them flexible supports balance, walking efficiency, and overall leg comfort. To do this stretch, stand facing a wall with one foot forward and the other extended behind you. Keep both heels on the floor as you lean gently toward the wall. You should feel a stretch along the back of the lower leg. Holding the position for about 30 seconds allows the muscles to relax fully. Short holds don't provide the same benefit. This stretch is a staple in Japan's long-running national exercise program and is commonly recommended for seniors. Stretch number 3. Pigeon Stretch. The pigeon stretch focuses on hip mobility, an area that naturally tightens with age and prolonged sitting. In Japan, where traditional floor sitting is still common, maintaining hip flexibility is especially important. This stretch helps release tension in the hips and glutes, making everyday movements like standing, walking, and sitting more comfortable. Begin on your hands and knees. Bring one knee forward and extend the opposite leg back. Lower your hips slowly while keeping your chest lifted and spine long. The key here is never forcing the movement. Japanese stretching philosophy prioritizes gentle tension without pain. Comfort always comes first. For those with sensitive knees or limited mobility, using a cushion for support makes this stretch more accessible and effective. Stretch number 4. Downward Facing Dog. This stretch is popular throughout Japan because it works multiple areas of the body at once, perfect for busy lifestyles. Downward Facing Dog stretches the calves, hamstrings, hips, and back while also strengthening the shoulders and arms. This combination of flexibility and strength is highly valued in Japanese longevity practices. From a hands and knees position, lift your hips and straighten your legs as much as feels comfortable, forming an inverted V shape. Keep your head relaxed and your breathing steady. Rather than forcing your heels to the floor, focus on lengthening the spine and distributing weight evenly. Smooth breathing enhances relaxation and helps calm the nervous system. Stretch number 5. Cat-cow movement. The cat-cow stretch is widely used in Japan to maintain spinal mobility and ease stiffness caused by long periods of sitting. This flowing movement gently takes the spine through flexion and extension, helping keep the joints healthy and responsive. On your hands and knees, slowly round your back while exhaling, then gently arch it as you inhale. The movement should be slow, controlled, and connected to your breath. Japanese centenarians often describe this stretch as a form of moving meditation, where awareness and breathing are just as important as the movement itself. Stretch number 6. Butterfly Stretch. The butterfly stretch is deeply embedded in Japanese wellness culture and is often taught from a young age. Sitting with the soles of your feet together, allow your knees to gently fall outward while keeping your spine upright. This stretch targets the inner thighs and hips, areas that tend to stiffen over time. Rather than pushing the knees down, let gravity work gradually. Calm breathing helps the muscles relax naturally. Many long-lived communities in Japan credit simple daily stretches like this for preserving mobility well into old age. Stretch number 7. Child's Pose. The child's pose represents one of the most important principles in Japanese longevity. Recovery matters just as much as movement. This deeply restorative stretch allows the body and nervous system to reset. It gently stretches the back while encouraging slow, deep breathing. Kneel on the floor, sit back on your heels, and fold forward, resting your forehead down. Let your arms relax and allow your body to fully release tension. In Japanese culture, knowing when to rest is considered a form of wisdom, and this stretch reflects that philosophy perfectly. Final thoughts. These 7 Japanese stretches offer a balanced approach to staying mobile, flexible, and resilient throughout life. The lesson from Japan isn't about intense workouts, it's about consistency, patience, and daily care for the body. Even dedicating just 10 minutes a day to gentle stretching can support better movement and comfort as the years go by. If you enjoy learning about simple, science-based health habits like these, you'll find more content just like this on Health Fact 10M. Don't forget subscribe Health Fact 10M and share with friend this video. Thank you for watching, and take good care of your body. It's the only one you have.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing health videos on Health Fact 10M.